investing in yourself, improving your skills, improving your relations, improving your health are probably the best investments you'll ever make. Because if you take time and you put effort in improving the three aspects of your life I've just mentioned, definitely it is a good investment. This will not only help you in living a more successful life, but it will also help those around you to enjoy life. If you have not started thinking about improving your skills, your health, you need to start thinking about that. How can you do it? What is the best approach? The best approach is to read books. At least one book every month. The next thing you can do is to attend seminars and workshops about personal development or in relation to your career, your profession. If you do that, then definitely there is something good that you will experience. You need to stop blaming other people for lack of progress in your life. You need to start putting a lot of effort. You need to put a lot of effort. You need to encourage yourself. You need to collect yourself. It is always, if you see someone developing financially and professionally, it's because every day, every morning, they put more effort into becoming a better person. Now, there are a lot of struggles. People have a lot of struggles. People have a lot of, things to do. But you need to think and develop the necessary skills to maintain cutting-edge advances in your profession or business. If you do not do that, it is going to be very difficult for you to add value to people's lives and your life as well. And it is in adding value that you make money and you make success out of it. Thank you for watching. If it is your first time that you are seeing this program, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We put up a lot of free information here which may be useful